Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
All right, let us talk about something that often confuses a lot of people: the difference between AI agents and AI chatbots. On the surface, they look kind of similar, right? Both talk to users, both use AI, both respond in natural language. But if you look a little deeper, you'll see that they're actually built for completely different purposes. So first, let's talk about chatbots. When we say chatbot, what usually comes to mind is that little box that pops up on a website asking, "Hi, how can I help you today?" Those are chatbots, and most of them work using predefined rules or scripts. For example, if you type, "What are your store hours?" the chatbot looks for keywords like store and hours, then gives you a fixed response. But the moment you ask something it doesn't understand, it'll probably say, "Sorry, I didn't get that." So basically, chatbots are like digital assistants that can handle simple, repetitive questions, but they don't really think on their own. Now let's move to AI agents, and here's where things get interesting. AI agents are not just responders, they're doers. They don't wait for you to tell them exactly what to do step by step. Instead, you give them a goal, and they figure out how to get it done. For example, you could say, "Create a marketing plan for my new product," and an AI agent could research competitors, gather data, write the plan, and even generate the social media posts for it. That's the difference. Chatbots answer, agents act. If you want a simple analogy, think of it like this. A chatbot is like a receptionist. It greets people, answers questions, and points them in the right direction. But an AI agent? That is more like a project manager, someone who takes responsibility for completing a task from start to finish. Now you might ask, so what makes AI agents so much more capable? Well, the big difference lies in how they're built. Chatbots mainly rely on natural language processing to understand text and generate replies. They're reactive. AI agents, on the other hand, are proactive. They can reason, plan, and even use other tools or APIs to get real work done. For instance, an AI agent can search the web, summarize the findings, create a report, and then email it to you, all by itself. If you've heard names like LangChain, Crew AI, or AutoGPT, those are the kinds of frameworks that help people build these agents. They let multiple agents even work together. One might research, another might write, and a third might review. Now you might be wondering, where do these chatbots still fit in then? Well, they still have a very solid place, especially in customer service and support. They're great for structured, repetitive communication. If someone asks for tracking information, booking details, or basic troubleshooting, a chatbot handles that instantly and cheaply. But if you need reasoning, creativity, or cross-system coordination, that's where AI agents take over. Another key difference is memory and context. Chatbots usually forget your previous conversation once the chat ends. They treat every session as brand new. But AI agents can remember. They can recall your previous inputs, preferences, and goals. So, the next time you interact, it feels personal, as if they actually know you. This is what makes them far more intelligent and useful for long-term or complex tasks. And this capability is why we're seeing AI agents used in so many industries, from finance and healthcare to marketing, education, and operations. Imagine having an AI agent that manages your schedule, drafts emails, and automatically creates reports. It's like having your own digital coworker. So if we sum it up simply, chatbots react, AI agents reason, chatbots follow scripts, AI agents follow goals, chatbots respond, AI agents execute. They might sound similar when they talk to you, but what's happening behind the scenes is completely different. And as we move further into 2025, chatbots are starting to evolve, becoming smarter and more agent-like. But the fundamental difference still stands. A chatbot communicates, an agent accomplishes, and that's really the core of it. AI chatbots make interactions easy. AI agents make results happen. That's it for today's topic on AI agents versus AI chatbots. If you found this session helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which topic you'd like me to break down next.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetguide.net.